Do you have senior moments? Do you sometimes find it hard to remember family members' names? Do you often lose your train of thought in the middle of a sentence? Do you misplace your keys or walk into a room and forget why you went there? Suffered the stress and anxiety of realizing you may be losing your memory? If so, you're not alone. Memory loss affects more than 6 million Americans and 60 million people worldwide. It's a very frustrating and debilitating condition, and it can significantly impact your quality of life. But you'll be happy to know memory loss has nothing to do with genetics or age. Instead, two renowned scientists from Yale University have recently proved that all cognitive and brain-related problems have one common cause: low levels of a little-known yet extremely important brain chemical that's responsible for establishing connections and strengthening neural pathways inside the brain. Simply said, this neurotransmitter keeps your mind sharp. Moreover, emerging reports have shown that this brain chemical is the reason behind all life-altering brain diseases such as memory loss, Parkinson's, and dementia. However, regaining the brain's natural balance of this chemical can help repair memory and protect against future damage. A critical 15-year-long study published in the British Medical Journal in January 2012 shows that your brain is more predisposed to chemical imbalances, including decreasing levels of this key brain chemical as early as age 40. But we all know people of advanced age who seem to be immune to mental decline and whose minds remain sharp as a tack. What's their secret? Scientists have discovered that their brains produce very high levels of this key brain chemical throughout their whole lives. Now, a supplement has been formulated which contains the exact ingredients in the precise quantities that restores your brain's chemical balance and strengthens the neural connections. So far, 129,000 men's and women's lives have been changed and their memory restored. Click on the link in the description for more information and details on the research, the chemical, what causes the imbalance, and how it in your memory can easily be restored to normal levels. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and that will encourage us to make more videos on this topic. To view other videos like this that focus on typical health challenges seniors experience and possible remedies, click subscribe. To let us know your most pressing question about the topic of today's video, use the comment section below. We'll likely produce a video answering your question or post an article on our blog. The link is in the description.